Here we read, at 9:30 a.m., Kathleen started painting one of her bedroom walls. By 10 a.m., she had painted this much of the wall. Question: if she continues at this rate, at what time should she finish painting this wall? Well, let's begin by highlighting the key information here. In the first sentence we read, at 9:30 a.m., so that's key. Kathleen started painting, and that's very important, one of her bedroom walls. And then in the next sentence, by 10 a.m., so that time is key, she had painted this much of the wall. So she had painted this much is also key. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the wall that she's been painting. And by 10 a.m. she's painted this much here. So if we were to draw kind of a line kind of like this, she's painted about that much of the wall. Maybe I can move this to the right just a little bit. So these little parts here are filling in these parts here. Well, if she's painted that much of the wall, then that's going from here to here. Well, that leaves all of this, which, let's see, if we draw a vertical bar about the same, kind of splitting this in two, do you see how this piece here and this piece here are about the same width as this piece here? Let me do that. So this distance here and this distance here are about the same as this. So that means each of these is about a third of the area. So let's make a note of that. This is a third, and this is a third, and this is a third. Well, so then let's go ahead and think about this kind of in two parts here. Let's think about it this way. So she's painted about a third of the wall. And how long did it take her to do this third of the wall? Well, from 9:30 a.m. to 10 a.m., which is, I think you'd agree, about a half an hour. Well, she's got this third and this third left to do. So if this third took her 30 minutes, then does it make sense to you that this would take another 30 minutes, assuming she's painting at the same rate, and that's what it tells us here. And then this third would take her about 30 minutes. So then these two thirds here would take her another hour. So then if she's continuing starting at 10 a.m., and she adds an hour to that, 10 a.m. plus one more hour would be 11 a.m. So she should finish painting about 11 a.m. And that is answer B here.